Ladies and gentlemen, juicy deals for the Black Friday and 11/11, the Chinese Black Friday. And today we do have an 11/11, and what can we have? 30, 40, 30, 50, 100 euros discount for the latest Oppo Find X8. Wow, that is just amazing. Xiaomi 15 Pro, 50 euro discount. Beautiful. More deals, 70 euros for the latest Vivo. 60 euros, 70 euros, 230 euros for the X100S. Wow. 400 euros for the Ultra. Whew. Now that is a deal. Do remember that the Ultra is magnificent in the optic department. I think that's the best optics in a smartphone ever. That's just impressive, until today at least. Well, what else do we have? Xiaomi 14, 300 euros, 240 euros. That's just 450 euros. Wow. That's just a 1-day deal. Do remember that. 1-day deal. Okay? What are the limited deals? More deals. More. For the Xiaomi Pad. For the latest Xiaomi 15 Pro. And many more. $100 for the Vivo. Euros. That's euros. You can change the currency for dollars. 360 for the Vivo. 250. 420. Wow, that's a proper discount. Okay, the maximum is 480 euros a discount for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Damn. 480. Wow. Impressive. Link in the description. Do remember to choose my link, because when you do, you're supporting the channel to grow. And I think that's all I got. Link in the description for many more discounts. See you next video. Bye.